Hi everyone, this is Techno Freak here again. I wanted to give you a little insight onto how I can install a system pretty fast with Linux and not have too many issues and still get all my programs back and not have an issue with all that. First thing I do is I start out making a text file. Most of your ones that have in Ubuntu where they have the software center and that, there's quite a few different derivatives that have a different version of software centers. But I'll give you a couple examples here on how I get what I use for making my cheat sheet up. Okay, let's say you want to have let's say just Thoggin, which is a DVD ripper. We'll see if you try to look at their name, it just says Thoggin DVD ripper. But if you click on the more information and I scroll down, you see that it's just their name right here is Thoggin, and it is. You see that their name is just Thoggin, and it's a 0.7.1. Well, if you just copy the name Thoggin and you come over here to a text editor, so I'll scroll down here at the bottom, you can see I list them all out for each program and what it is. DVD Ripper program, and so I just put for installing DVD Ripper program, and then I do the sudo apt get install, and I put the name Thog in there. But I keep that for individual installs. What I do is I take all of them for the ones that I want that I currently use, and I just do a sudo apt get install, and I just put a space between each one until I get all the way down. Now, on the ones that I have, like my screen recorders, they're not in my normal repository for the operating system that I'm using. So you have to add the repository of where it is at. And so you have another sudo add-apt for the repository, and then you have to update your main repository. So how I get around that, so we scroll back up here. Here's where I get all my programs that I install. I use a space, double ampersand, space, and then I put the repository part where it's going to add it in, another space, double ampersand, space, then I put the rest in it. I can keep right on going, and then I can go right across and get all of my pieces put in for everything. You can see down here I got my space, ampersand, ampersand, space, sudo apt get update, and then I get a space and then a sudo ampersand, ampersand, space, sudo apt get, and then it installs my rest. You can see how that makes it really nice. I'm not going to show you this install because this install takes forever. But now when I get to this point, like I said in my previous video, I just reinstalled from scratch Ubuntu 12.04 LTS long-term support 64-bit.